Hello, Wellness Watchers. Today we will explore the fascinating world of natural pain and inflammation relief, focusing on the combined powers of turmeric, ginger, and olive oil, which have been used for centuries in traditional medicine to combat pain and inflammation. But how do they stack up against conventional pain relievers like ibuprofen, naproxen, and acetaminophen? Let's explore their effectiveness, the science behind their pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory properties, and the best ways to combine and consume them for optimum results. First, let's talk about turmeric. Turmeric is renowned for its active compound, curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory properties and is a natural pain reliever. Research published by the National Institutes of Health in 2016 highlighted curcumin's ability to reduce inflammation through its effect on various biochemical pathways involved in the inflammatory process. Next, ginger, another powerful herb, contains gingerol, a substance with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. A study from the University of Georgia in 2010 found that daily ginger supplementation reduced exercise-induced muscle pain by 25%. Finally, olive oil is rich in oleocanthal, a compound with anti-inflammatory properties similar to ibuprofen. Research from the University of Pennsylvania in 2005 discovered that oleocanthal inhibits the same enzymes as ibuprofen and acetaminophen, acting as a natural anti-inflammatory agent. Now, let's compare natural remedies to traditional painkillers. In comparison with traditional painkillers such as ibuprofen, naproxen, and acetaminophen, these natural remedies offer a holistic approach. Traditional painkillers provide temporary relief and can cause side effects like gastrointestinal issues and liver damage with long-term use, while the natural combination of turmeric, ginger, and olive oil addresses the root cause of pain and inflammation with minimal side effects. Integrating turmeric, ginger, and olive oil into your diet can help alleviate pain and inflammation naturally. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2017 found that combining these ingredients significantly reduced inflammation and pain in patients with osteoarthritis, suggesting a synergistic effect that enhances their individual anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. The role of olive oil in this combination. Olive oil plays a crucial role in enhancing the bioavailability of turmeric. Curcumin in turmeric is fat-soluble, meaning it requires fat to be absorbed efficiently by the body. Adding olive oil to turmeric not only enhances its absorption, but also increases its effectiveness. A study by the Albert Einstein College of Medicine in 2017 demonstrated that combining turmeric and fat, such as olive oil, can increase curcumin absorption by up to 20 times. Here are some additional health benefits of combining ginger, turmeric, and olive oil. According to a study by the Mayo Clinic in 2018, ginger and turmeric can enhance digestive health by reducing nausea and easing indigestion, while olive oil increases the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamins A, D, and E, making this combination beneficial for gut health. Research by the Stanford University School of Medicine in 2021 confirmed the anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric and ginger further contribute to heart health by reducing inflammation and endothelial dysfunction, a factor in the development of heart disease. Here are some of the ways to combine and consume these ingredients. To achieve the best results, combine turmeric, ginger, and olive oil in a warm drink or use them in cooking. A simple recipe is to mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil in warm water or tea. You can also add these ingredients to your meals to enrich your diet with their pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory benefits. Precautions. While turmeric, ginger, and olive oil are generally safe for most people, we suggest that you consult a healthcare provider before incorporating them into your routine, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, have gallbladder disease, or are on medication. Turmeric, ginger, and olive oil offer a promising natural alternative to conventional painkillers, with research supporting their anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. By understanding how to combine and consume these ingredients, you can harness their benefits while minimizing the risks associated with conventional medications. Thank you, Wellness Watchers, for tuning in to this detailed exploration of nature's remedies versus conventional painkillers. If you found this information valuable, please click the thumbs up button, leave us a comment with your thoughts or experiences, and share this video with family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more science-based content. Stay well, and we will see you again soon.